I'm Ellie. I'm a college student. I just vlog my life as like an artist, a business owner, and just a student trying to do everything. I hope you enjoy. Stick around, subscribe. Let's get to the vlog. So it is 1:40 a.m. after my performance, which hopefully I can show you clips of, but oh my gosh, I'm so tired. And my iPad is down here and glowing, which is why there's that. But my makeup still looks so slay for having been on for like literally more than 12 hours. And my nails, except for I didn't lose it, but my thumb one came off. But that's okay because I do need to be able to take out my contacts. So I'm so tired, but the performance was so fun. And we did so good. Yeah, I'm so proud of us, and it was such a fun environment. And I'm so like, I love performing, and I've been doing performances and just general performing since I was in 6th grade, but it's been a hot second since I've done one of this like size, because in high school every year we would do really big musicals, and our school had a lot of funding for musicals because they were really good. So I was used to really big productions of that size, but then it's been a hot second because I've been in college, you know, and I've been able to do a musical while in college. But so many people came to this, and it was just so incredible. So I love performing. It was so fun, and my friends came, and afterwards we hung out and got ice cream and just talked, and it was so fun. So I just love college. It's so fun performing. I'm gonna miss rehearsals on Saturdays. It's literally what am I gonna do? I guess I'll just hang out with friends still, but so sad. I'm gonna miss my performances for class and those friends. I'm so delusional. My head hurts. Oh my gosh. Not delusional, but just tired. I need to go to sleep.
What the dog doing?
Yesterday I had my little like performance with the K-pop dance group for our college's little like nighttime performance with a bunch of different of the cultural groups, and it was really fun. And tonight I have an a cappella concert, so let's go to that now. But look at my earring stack. It's so cute. Our song is a mashup of like the Wellerman sea shanty song, so I wanted my earrings to give pirate vibes, and I feel like they definitely do. And this fun little dragon pendant, cute. But yeah, these ones are really cute. They're from Ana Luisa, and I was inspired by Tiffany Wang to get them, so I have them in the gold and the silver, and I wear the silver like every day. You can check my vlogs. But Ana Luisa, you should low-key sponsor me. These other ones are Houseman Castle themed from Hot Topic low-key. Yeah, so anyways, let's go to the concert. Yay to singing.
Oh my gosh, what do I do? Oh my gosh.
Was such an awesome.
It can get exhausting being away from home all the time, especially as we get older.
trees, and that's where I am. We're 21 Pilots and so are you. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Very ominous lighting, but I'm awake at 5 a.m. I woke up at 5 a.m. It's now like 6 a.m. But my friends and I are filming a music video for a group and we needed a golden hour. And yesterday the sunset didn't work, so we're up at freaking 5 a.m. and low-key I'm so dead. I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. LOL. But oh well. We're doing that. So I'm pretty sure the music video is out by the time this vlog is posted, so go watch Runaway by Bloodline. Yay! So happy. Probably, I don't know, in this moment we're still filming it, so I bet it's gonna be awesome. And yeah, y'all, I'm so tired and I lost a bow. I didn't lose it, it's in my pocket, but music video filming was fun, but I was so tired and I still am, and I have other things to do today. So yeah, definitely this group is really fun, but it's definitely a commitment and takes like dedication, so it's not for the faint of heart for sure. And like, you know, how many people are just waking up at 5 a.m. on a Sunday to go film a music video for which we're not getting paid, we're not like, it's not for a project, it's literally just for fun. So yeah, little passion project, I suppose. So it's really fun. Oh my gosh, yeah, the sacrifices, lol. Anyways, this is a little photo card order that I bought before I found out that I was going to Korea, because I'm really trying to cut down on unnecessary expenses, because Korea, you know, we gotta save for that, and I'm happy to save for that, but I totally forgot about this. So I think that it's a bunch of Hyunjin ones, so Korea related, and it's such a cute little pink package. Okay. Hello. Please come out of the bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's taped up like this between little boards and the boards say trading card on them. So let's go ahead and cut it free. What I really want to see is if this person included any freebies or not, because that for me is the difference between like average seller or an above and beyond seller. Oh my gosh, bro, they really taped this. I appreciate how genuine, how much they wanted them to be secure, but dang, at some point too much tape is just a waste of tape, you know? Okay, let's free my boys. Okay, and then, okay, this is a bundle, it's taped together, but at least you can see his face right there now. Let's peel this. Okay, 2 rolls of tape later. Doesn't look like there's any freebies. These are, what? Okay, hold on. This is the duo one that I bought. Duo Rockstar. Han and Hyunjin. Cute. This is a sleeve then, I suppose. This one of Hyunjin. Yeah, let's just go through them then. This one, a very young Hyunjin. They also came in sleeves, which is nice. But why is this one blue? Like, why are they not all the same sleeves? Oh well. We're roommates apparently. This one is good. Yes, sir. This one, Hyunjin. Oh, I low-key, okay. This duo one, yes, from Do It. This little noisy little ID. Okay, yes, the Do It one. Oh, she gave me both of them? Okay. Okay. Slay. This one. Yes. These two. My boy. Hee. Yeah, so I'm rich. Don't talk to me, haters. Anyways. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired, bro. Okay. Anyways. And then you like go in to the camera and make sure to cover it for like a solid couple seconds. And then when you step back from the camera, you're like this. Like, hey, focus, camera, focus. Camera. Ah! So anyways, when you step back from it, you're like, hands up, you're like, whoa, whoa. And then I'm gonna edit it. Get it? Get it? Hey Poogies, it's March 1st, but I got some more things to do, but I just wanted to show you because recently one of my ceramic bowls broke because I was trying to clean it. I was doing some late night cleaning and it freaking broke because I dropped it only a little bit, but it was like my favorite ramen bowl and I got it like 75% off at a store that was closing, but thankfully I could find one online on Depop, so slay, that the luck was good. But I just need to show you how absurdly this was wrapped. Like, I appreciate the protection because it's a ceramic bowl. So first we got it. It was in this. This box was in this black, like, plastic wrapping with the shipping label on it, which I will not show you. It was in this box. I opened the box, which is missing one of these. Kind of weird. And inside there's a mass of, like, newspaper and paper. And I had to like dig into the paper to be able to find this Amazon mailer. And then I look inside and here's the chopsticks that it came with. And I actually still have those. So now I have 2 pairs of the same chopsticks, which is slay, you know, more chopsticks. But then inside it is bubble wrap again. And I believe there's also paper on the inside. So I appreciate how much dedication this person put into making sure that the bowl stayed safe, low-key, because companies don't really do that, low-key. They just send it with some paper like loosely thrown in and then they're like, good luck, hope it survives. But like real people online, they don't play because they know they will get in trouble. Yeah, paper. Okay, I definitely need to wash that because it's a bit dusty in there. But here we go, my new bowl. I'm like scared to break this one, but nah, we ain't doing that. So I'm so happy to have it back. I'll just show you the old one. I'm thinking about gluing the old one back together, and I couldn't use it for anything that would use liquid because it's all already like, it can't hold liquid. There's like little chips missing, so we couldn't put food in that. I might glue it back together and use it as like a little trinket dish or something because it has like memories. So I'll update you on that, but yay, new bowl. So now I'm gonna go shower.
The next day.
Hi Poogies, it's March 2nd. Look at the fit. We're doing a high ponytail today, which I haven't done in a while. My hair sword, if you can see. Like, let me use this mirror. Yeah, so that's what the hair sword looks like, and I kind of think it looks sick. I love the vibe, so might be repeating this outfit. And I like the fact that this earring is the little sword one and the sword point is on this side, and then this side is the little like 2 little beads, and this side has the dangly little bead, if you can see. So yeah, then we're going with my classic forever necklace, the hinged necklace, and then the Conan Gray You're Killing Me shirt, and then my gingham pants with the little bows on the edge that are so fun. Yes, we love their everything. So yeah, I did in fact, oh, rip that poster, I have to put it back up. I did in fact skip my theory methodology class this morning because I woke up when my alarm went off and I was like, I just can't do it. So yeah, it's becoming spring, it's getting warm outside, it's getting like my motivation is going down to keep trying hard in school, but I will persist as I have in the past. So yeah, I feel like this spring like semester vibes they always get to that point where I'm like, oh, it's like warm outside and I'm happy and the daylight lasts longer and all of a sudden I don't want to be in class anymore. So yeah, but whatever, we gotta head to Korean class now. That's the one class, my other class today, and I will be making it to that one. So let's head out. with a rock. Okay. Anyways, I want to do a welcome spring party. It's pretty good. You made it sound like it was gonna be crazy. It's really not that crazy. Okay. Maybe you could talk about it like that with my people. Sorry, I hate filming in public, but I also don't care anymore. Yeah. Welcome back to the vlog. I don't remember which one. I'm just like eating random ones now because I'm like nervous about being on camera. Yeah, we kind of killed it. Sorry, the lighting is atrocious, but I'm back home for the summer. If you like this kind of content, stick around, subscribe for new vlogs weekly, including stuff about the study abroad coming up. So, bye!